Welcome back to another episode of Tokyo Eats, where we search for the best food in the city. Today we're going to be eating something different. We're going to be eating Chinese food, but this one has a modern Japanese twist that we're really excited to try. Let's check it out. So today's restaurant name is Chuka Aoki Nakameguro. This restaurant is only 4 minutes away from Nakameguro station on foot. Alright guys, so we have come into the restaurant. First of all, it is beautiful. It's Chinese, but it's also modern, but also Japanese at the same time. It's really cozy and a really good vibe. So today we ordered the signature course. We're starting off with the 8 kinds of appetizers using seasonal Japanese ingredients with special Chinese techniques. Anyway, it looks really beautiful. Satoshi's gonna try the red hair crab and glass noodles dressed with golden karasumi or dried mullet roll. Itadakimasu. Glass noodles are very smooth. It has a nice saltiness with a good flavor of mullet roll, and it's combined with this the hair crab taste. The 3 combination is so fun to eat. Red prawn marinated in Chinese liquor shoukoshu. They add the sansho Japanese pepper. It's enhanced these shrimp umami so nicely. Oh, so fresh. So this is the jellyfish marinated in Shaoxing wine. Crunchy texture, sweet vinegar is so tasty and refreshing. Deep fried lotus root with 5 spice seasoning. Very crispy. I love this texture. Yes, I can taste the 5 spices. So this is the yodare dori or mouth-watering chicken. It looks really good, and this is persimmon, I think. Itadakimasu. Oh wow, this is super flavorful. It has a kick which is really nice, a little bit numbing but not too much. The sauce is just so flavorful. Wow, it's a little bit like miso. So we have the cold seasoned yellowtail cured with kombu seaweed. Oh, that is so fresh. It is fantastic. So next we're going for the homemade char siu, pork made with a Tsinghua ham. Oh wow, that is super tender. And once again, the ham is really flavorful. And there are like mustard seeds, which has a nice tang and a little bit like pleasant bitterness, which I love. The kumquat simmered in osmanthus liqueur. Wow, that's like jam. It's like kumquat jam, but it's like the actual fruit. This course just got started. We went through 8 different appetizers. So far, we're pleasantly surprised. All right, guys, so next one we have a spring roll, but not just any spring roll. This is grilled eel and total eggplant, like a really soft eggplant, I guess. It comes with a little bit of a ao sansho, which is like a Japanese pepper. Oh, wow. Oh, that is incredible. If you like eel, oh, you're gonna love this. I've never had unagi in like a spring roll form. That's amazing. The unagi is fatty in a good way, and I guess that's an eggplant that's like really soft, almost like you're eating like really creamy eggplant. Isn't that amazing? It's unagi eel. Yes, I've never eaten this way of spring roll before. One of the most amazing things I've ever put into my mouth. Amazing, yeah. So next dish is my favorite thing. Xiaolonpo, Iwachu pork xiaolonpo soup dumpling. This one freshly steamed, and this is xiaolonpo. So I have to sip the soup first. Very porky juice came out, so flavorful. My ginger pork combines so good, very flavorful. Tender xiaolonpo, very delicious. Wow, that broth is incredible. So this is a Beijing duck or Peking duck, and once again, I'm blown away by the presentation. This is like a cigar style Peking duck, and it is so beautiful. Look at it, it's so cool. The skin is nice and crispy. The duck is juicy, fatty, but in a good way.
They use two kind of sauce.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Two kinds of
The
sauce.
combination, the umami and sweetness,
Oh.
it's so good.
Yeah, you get like a little bit of hoisin sauce, I think, and then another sauce, like you said, it's got a blend of two different sauces, which is why it tastes refreshing at the same time. So this Chinese restaurant is a little bit different from your typical neighborhood Chinese restaurant because each one is presented beautifully. They're using Chinese cooking techniques, but Japanese ingredients and Japanese flavors. So it's really interesting, like that unagi spring roll. That was like a perfect example of Japanese and Chinese fusion, but it was done so perfectly.
Look at this size of shrimp. And this presentation is so sophisticated. Wow! It's like a cracker. Oh, really crispy. It's fun to eat. And inside, very plumpy and nice shrimp taste. This sauce has a nicely blended flavor. The spiciness, sweetness, and sourness, and sweetness.
Really well balanced, but at the same time, it has more of a punch than your usual Japanese ebi chiri dish. Next one is a dish called chinjao-rosu. This is made with Wagyu sirloin, and it's actually placed on top of the chinjao-rosu sauce. And the sauce is made with a special pepper from Kyoto called manganji pepper, and it's a very special pepper. So you can tell they're using really good ingredients here. And this, once again, this is Wagyu beef. I'm not joking. This is the best version of chinjao-rosu I've ever had. It's like chinjao-rosu but with like Wagyu steak. Oh, so good. Usually the beef is not this tender, and it's so beefy. It's so delicious, and the special Kyoto peppers make all the difference. They have like a natural sweetness to them. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, for full transparency, this restaurant did invite us to try this course, and I'm just so happy. At first we thought Chinese food, like, should we try a Chinese food restaurant on our channel? But you know what? This is special.
Very special.
It really is. So thanks guys for inviting us to try this. It's so good. So this is the last dish before dessert, and this is Aoki's signature Mapo tofu. And Mapo tofu is actually one of our favorite Chinese dishes. It's served with some steamed rice, and it looks fantastic. It smells incredible.
Smells incredible.
Yeah. The tofu is so nice. It's so soft and smooth.
This makes me so happy.
Me too. It is so good. And it's not very spicy either. It's actually like just mildly spicy. So anyone can eat this. But it's like super flavorful. It's meaty, but silky tofu goes so well with the rice. I couldn't be any happier with this meal. It's just wonderful. So we are on to dessert, and this is Basque cheesecake flavored with sansho pepper and lemongrass.
Cheesecake.
Yeah, I like that it's not overly sweet.
True. And lemongrass aroma into my nose now.
Very refreshing. Like a herby, like lemony. Like it's very subtle though.
Very subtle.
Yeah, and the cheesecake itself is very creamy. I'm so happy that it's not like spicy. I was afraid it was going to be spicy because there's sansho pepper in here.
I so enjoyed that everything is made so carefully, and the flavor balance is perfect. Everything is wow. So this is a kind of restaurant that I want to come again and again.
Definitely, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. I'm going to be coming back for that unagi spring roll. That was incredible. Anyway, guys, we hope you check this place out on your next visit to Tokyo. If you live in Tokyo, you owe it to yourself to check it out. It's one of the best Chinese food I've ever had. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next episode of Tokyo Eats. And if you want to see our other Tokyo Eats video, what other things we recommend, make sure you check out our Tokyo Eats playlist. The link is in the description.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.
Bye!